Good morning, children. Let us continue the same topic, arithmetic progression, and we will discuss some questions from NCERT. Let's read the question. If the sum of first n terms of AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, we have to find out the third term, 10th term, nth term. Now we have Sn equal to 4n minus n square. If n is 1, then let us replace n as 1. You can see here. And by replacing it, by solving it, we are getting 3. S1 is equal to the first term because S1 means sum of first term and it means it is first term. It means what we have now, sum of first term or first term, that is 3. Now, if we will replace n as 2, then n is 2 here. And by replacing it and solving it, we are getting 4. And S2 means sum of two terms for sum of first two terms. That's why we can find out the second term by subtracting S2 minus S1 and we are getting the second term. Similarly, if we will replace n as 3, then by solving it, we are getting sum of first three terms and by subtracting S3 minus S2, we will get third term, that is minus 1. In this way, we can find out any number of terms. Now what we have, first term is 3 and second term is 1. Therefore, common difference is second term minus first term, that is minus 2. On the basis of it, we can find out 10th term, nth term, any term we can find out. Now what we have, D is minus 2 and 10th term's formula is A10 which is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. 10 minus 1 is 9 and let us replace the value of A and D. By solving it, we are getting 10th term of this AP. Similarly, we can find out nth term. Nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D and A is 3, D is minus 2. By replacing it, we are getting nth term. In this way, we can find out any term. If we will replace n as any number, we can find out any term also from this relation. Now let's read the next question, which is the sum of three numbers in AP is 24 and their product is 312. We have to find out the numbers. As we know that if the sum of three terms given to you, then we always take the three terms A minus D, A and A plus D. You can see here difference is common in all the three, that is D. And by taking sum of them, we are getting 24 because it is already given to you in the question. D cancel and by adding A, we are getting 3A. 3 shifted on the other side. By simplifying it, we are getting value of A. Let us substitute this value of A in this relation, which is given to us product of three terms. And product of three terms is A minus D, A and A plus D. And A is 8. By replacing and simplifying it, we are getting the value of D. Two values of D, that is plus 5 and minus 5. If A is 8, D is 5, then by substituting the value of A and D, we will get three terms of AP, that is 3, 8 and 13. And if A is 8 and D is minus 5, and by replacing all the values of A and D, we will get three terms 13, 8 and 3. Means the numbers are either 3, 8, 13 or 13, 8, 3. I think it is clear to everyone. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.